Hello, this is Brad, and we're going through Oomlout's Experimenter's Guide for Arduino. This is Project 8, and here we'll be looking at potentiometers and using the analog side of the Arduino board. Now here's the basic circuit. We have a potentiometer here connected to A0, one of the analog pins, and then ground and power hooked to this potentiometer. An LED here we have connected to the digital pin 13 and buffered with a 560 ohm resistor, and then power and ground to the power and ground buses here. And this circuit here takes advantage of the analog pins 0 to 1024 read variable, and we use that number to change the delay and speed of this LED. So as I turn this potentiometer up, it changes the blink speed of the LED. And we'll look at the code next. Okay, here's the code for the potentiometer. Here we're setting the sensor pin as A0 and LED pin as digital pin 13, and the sensor value is where we'll store the number that is picked up by the analog 0 pin. And we're setting the pin 13 as the output for the LED. And here's the main loop. The sensor value is, well, the analog A0 pin will read the voltage set with the potentiometer and store that as a value between 0 and 1024 in the sensor value variable, and then we'll turn the LED pin on and then delay the on, or keep it on, the length of time that the sensor returns that value between 0 and 1024, and then turn it off and delay the off for that same value. So if we have the potentiometer turned to half, which is about 2.5 volts, it'll read at 512 on the A0 pin, and it'll delay it for 512 milliseconds.